Hi, so let's talk today about filtrations and advanced search and sorting. So let's say we want to search for project 1 specifically. So you could use multiple ways. First, let's go to search input and then type project 1 and then decide what we want to do. We want to search for all field or NO or subject. We are looking for subject here. Press it and you get it. Now let's remove it. We could also search in more global way by typing project and then search for all field. Let's remove it. You could also search in column by going to the column and then press the search and then press whatever you want. Search 2. Let's remove it. Let's do a little bit more complicated search. Let's go to subject and then type project and then go to the type and let's say for example task. Now you have multiple filtration. You could also sort your data by going to the column and then press sort 1, 2, 3 or the reverse 3, 2, 1. It apply on string as well. So in the end, let's say you have way more complicated search. Let's go to advanced search. So first, let's have a fast look for the operator. So let's say we have subject and then equal. So if we choose equal, that means project cannot work. It has to be project 2 or project 1. Not equal, that means you have to say also it's not equal project 1 to work. Which is mean it has to be the exact same value for equal or not equal. Like, that's mean project is enough because it just have to contain some of it inside of it. Not like, reverse, between, which is used for date. You can go for start date and then choose the date will start in between, from to. Not between, the reverse. Is null, that's mean if the value is exist or not. Greater than, could use it for number. That's mean if it's bigger than 1, or you could use lower than, that's mean less than 1. There is greater than or equal, all lower than or equal. That's mean you're gonna contain the number 1 inside the condition. In current day or in current date, they both use for date, but like this one, like the day itself, like Wednesday, Thursday, or current day, that's mean a number, or in current week. And then let's search for the field subject, like that's mean it contained the value project. Let's add a new field to search and let's activate the multiple operator. So now we can say this value and let's go to type, be equal task, and then add one more, and then the next field will be type as well, but he will be this one or this one, equal feature and then filter. Now you will get two projects because they're gonna contain the subject, and then the type could be task or could be feature. So one last thing before we end the video. So let's say we want to search for a ticket with a specific project name, like this project test B. We go for advanced search and then we choose project field and then we ask for the name inside the project and we choose equal test B, and then filter, and there it is. We could also search for a status of a project. Let's try this again. Let's go to advanced search, and then project, and then status of this project equal, let's say example, planning, filter, and it worked.